Alright, so this is pretty cool. Just picked up a new car I'm going to keep in Myoko, and I've got to drive there from Yokohama, and it's snowing already. That would appear to be a ski resort. I'm glad I've got the snow tyres on. So here I am, back at the lodge, and luckily enough the car did fit in the garage as planned. Only took about 15 minutes to clear the snow, because luckily this is still very early January. If I left it another month, it would have been about a 2-hour job. I don't think those are bear tracks. But anyway, just got a bit more snow to clear and we'll go inside. So first big difference when we step inside is all of this wallpaper has been replaced. You might remember it was quite grubby, lots of hand marks and marks from people squeezing by, but everything has been replaced now. Right up the walls, where I did not have the right kind of ladders to get to it, which is why I had someone else do it. All the way through here too. More impressively, we've now got all new tatamis. Looking nice and green, as they do when they're new. They eventually fade to a yellow colour. I've also had the shoji screens replaced. All of the paper. And all these different screens. Which makes everything seem nice and fresh. Not to mention, all of the sliding doors have got new paper on them as well. With this very traditional pattern. A little waterfall. Same on these ones. The price of those varies quite a lot depending how fancy a picture you want. I think these were about 7,500 yen per panel. I'll fix that one too. And that's matching as well. The shoji's just plain on this side, of course, and even this one's been done. Still haven't got the curtains in here. I tried to order them, but they arrived after I'd already gone home, so I need to order them again. The polycarbonate hasn't been changed here yet, but they're coming to do that next week. Have a look what's happened upstairs. So again, all this wallpaper's been changed up here. Looks nice and clean compared to last time I was here. Even on the doors. They moved this towel rail up a bit because it was in the way of the light switch, so that was helpful. There's a new vanity I put in last time. Also swapped the seat on this toilet for a nice new Toto washlet. Always good to have when you're in the snow. In this upstairs room again we've got new tatamis and new covers on the screen doors and new shoji paper. These doors have been recovered too. Yep, there's the other one. And in the western room, we've got all new carpet put in, and they had to repair this wall that had a hole in it and replace all of the wallpaper. Yeah, better fix that curtain there. Down here too, where it looked like a cat had been scratching it, it's all been repaired. And nice new paper. So much more livable. One other change I made was getting rid of the storage area that was here, so we can get up and down the stairs without hitting our heads. And here's the view in the winter time. There's the train station and up into the mountains. The soundtrack's the same, plenty of water going down the drain. and into the river over there. Even the houses look better in winter. Those are some pretty big flakes. Just had a visit from the agent to see if everything's okay. Okay, so this is proper snow now. Just heading back to the lodge after dropping some people off. One of the only people to drive in this direction this morning, I think. Oh, there's a bus. So I've been staying for a week now in the Ski Lodge of Myoko with some of my family. And we spent a lot of time in this room, which has sort of become the lounge room. So this couch that we got in a second-hand store. And we bought a bunch of second-hand DVDs to go with the TV. So it's pretty fun in here in the evenings. We're using the Engawa as a drying room because it gets quite warm in there on a sunny day. It does a good job. Although we also have a rack inside because this is the room with the gas heater in it. There's also been 2 people sleeping in here, as you can tell. Sorry this isn't a presentation level video, but never mind. And the kitchen, I've moved the table back in here and added this extra little table so that we can extend the area, and we actually fit 8 people around here using some folding chairs that I got from the local hardware store. I've also hidden that part of the kitchen with a beer poster, and I've got a ramen one here just for fun. This is where we have been piling up all of our recyclables, which will go out at the end of this week. And more importantly, I got a pool table. It's a cheap one off Amazon that folds up if I want to get it out of the way. But basically this has become the pool room, and I'm going to hang a lot of amusing pool room stuff off the walls at some point. So the biggest problem of this trip is this. 30 amps is all the power that we have in the house. So we can actually only run 2 heaters at any given time. What that means is we've been using only 2 of the upstairs bedrooms with heaters in them, and other people have been sleeping in the lounge room because it's got the gas heater. I've booked someone to come and fix that problem, but they'll be coming in a few days' time. So in the meantime, we've just been sleeping in this area. But aside from that, it's all gone pretty smoothly, and it's been a fun trip, as you'll see by these photos.